Hello class 6th English poem. Today we are going to start. I remember, I remember. I remember the house where I was born, the little window where the sun came peeping in at morn. He never came winged too soon, nor brought too long a day. But now I often wish the night had borne my breath away. So, students, in this stanza, actually, the poet Thomas Hood, he just recalls his childhood days. Fine. He remembers the house where he was born, and in that house there was a little window. So through that window, every day the sun always, every day the sun came by peeping. Peeping यानी कि looks or watch secretly. Okay. So always the sun from that window peeps, okay, in every morning at morning, and he never came being too soon. He was never late. He always comes at proper time, not brought too long a day, never stretches a day. Its timing was fixed. The sun का जो timing होता था, it was very fixed. He comes at a proper time. He always go at a proper time. And here actually poet tells, because at that time he was very small, and as we also know that our childhood is when we remember. So at that time we have lots of people to love us, to care us, our parents. Okay, so that day was very memorable also, and yes, we feel very nice at that time because everyone there to care for us. So but now your poet is telling that now he has grown up. Okay, he's grown up, his mind has also grown up, and due to this all his life is totally changed. Okay, there is many changes has happened in his life, and now he often wish the night he don't want to live, he want to die, had brought my breath away. Okay. I remember the roses red and white, the violets and the lily cups, those flowers made of light. The lilacs were the robin built, and where my brother said, the laburnum on his birthday, the tree is living yet. Okay, so in this stanza, poet means he talks about the garden. Okay, so there was a garden near his house, and yes, on that garden there were many kinds of flowers are there, roses which is of a red and white color, there were violets and lily cups like flower, and that flower were very fresh and bright. So those flowers, it seems they made of light, इतने fresh और bright थे. Fine. And he talks about the lilacs one of the tree, एक tree है where जिन पे पर्पल और वाइट कलर के फ्लावर्स ब्लूम होते हैं. फाइन. सो ऑन दैट लाइलेक्स वन ऑफ द बर्ड, रॉबिन करके एक बर्ड है. ओके, ही बिल्ड हिज नेस्ट ऑन दैट लाइलेक्स ट्री. Okay, and where my brother said the laburnum on his birthday, the tree is living it. So on his birthday, on poet's birthday, his brother had has planted one tree. Okay, laburnum करके एक tree है, वो उन्होंने plant किया था in his birthday, and till today also the tree is alive. Okay, so laburnum is a small tree with hanging bunches of yellow flowers. I remember where I was used to swing, and thought the air must rush as fresh to swallows on the wing. My spirit flew in feathers then that is so heavy now, and summer pools could hardly cool the fever on my brow. In this stanza, poet remembers about the place where he was used to swing. Okay, and as you know very well, when we just do the swing, at that time it just moves to and fro. Okay, while doing that, at that time the air ka jo we feel the air, the poet thought the air must as rush as fresh. Okay, the freshness of the air he feels in that, and he just swallows on the wing. So my spirit flew in feathers then that is so heavy now. So he talks about the spirit that when he was very young, at that time his spirit उनके high, जैसे कि स्मॉल किड्स के काफ़ी हाई स्पिरिट होते हैं, एंड इट फ्लू इन फेदर्स देन, बिकॉज फेदर जैसे लाइट होता है, बहुत हल्का सा लगता था उन्हें. बट नाउ दैट इज़ सो हैवी नाउ एज ही ग्रोन अप, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मैनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़. ओके, बिकॉज मैन द लाइफ हैज़ चेंज, एंड नाउ उनका जो स्पिरिट उनको काफ़ी हैवी लग रहा है. Okay, and summer pools could add. So at that time, he was also had pool near his house, and during summer season, he just go in that pool, and he could hardly cool. पानी वहाँ का किस तरीके से काफ़ी हार्डली कूल होता था, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली व्हेन यू गो फॉर द समर और वेकेशन यू विल फील दैट थोड़ा लिटिल वार्म होता है, एंड दैट वाटर वहाँ पर ही जस्ट एन्जॉयज अ लॉट, एंड इट गिव्स सो पीस टू दैट to the poet. Okay, but in today's life now, if you go in any pool, but he didn't get such peace what he was feel in his childhood. Okay, I remember the four trees dark and high. I used to think their slender tops were closed against the sky. It was a childish ignorance, but now it's little joy to know I am farther off from heaven than when I was a boy. Okay, so yeah, the last stanza, the poet talks about when he was very small at that time. He keep on thinking because there was a fir trees, and as you know very well, see in your course book also you will can easily see how the fir trees are. It was very dark and very high, and he used to think that उनका जो top area है slanted top, it touched to the it very close to the sky. It can easily touch or the sky. So it was his all the childish ignorance. Childish ignorance यानी कि as a child we have a very lack of knowledge. हमें कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ पता नहीं होता है उनके बारे में बिकॉज वी वर वेरी स्मॉल. ओके, सो इग्नोरेंस यानी कि लैक ऑफ नॉलेज. सो व्हेन ही वाज चाइल्ड he don't have that much knowledge, and due to this childish ignorance he was also very happy because he was very far away from the reality. Okay, but he was very happy due to have that ignorance also. Okay, so to know I'm farther off from heaven than I was a boy. Okay, so here is telling that later on when he grown up and he came to know the reality about each and every knowledge when he get, and he about the worries of real life. Okay, then he came to know that the heaven is very far away. Okay, and this the rational mind feels him no joy. So in this stanza, all this poem we have come to know about how the poet he just discussing about he compared his childhood days and now today the adult he became the adult and adulthood days. So he just loved his childhood days where he due to lack of knowledge also he was very happy, and he just played, he enjoyed in the summer pool. Then he used to swing, he just about his the spirits were very high, it was just like no stress, nothing. Okay, so all this comfortness he loved his childhood days, but as he grown up and he get all the responsibilities, he comes to know each and every situation, a part of life, the surroundings. He also get many knowledge regarding his life. Okay, so the burden, the struggling of his life, the painful life, you may call it a very simple and sweet line, a painful life. So he loves to be a small, he just want to just remember, he just wish that that night should come again, that day should come again, but it is not possible now. And yes, he just remember, and that's why the poem is all about I remember, I remember, by Thomas Hood. Okay, thank you.